Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, this is a massive opportunity for you folks, so if you're interested, make sure you click that first link in the description below. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. Three very accomplished internet marketers in their own right. Now, let's get back to my review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus explains how you can drive traffic after you purchase a PLR, like this one. It shows you how you can modify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques. It includes a Word document, a PDF file, images, and PLR license. You can use this document to increase your sales using PLR. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic so that you can make money online. Grab it, and you will reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The third bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get an order for a high-value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then you deliver it to your buyer. Hence, you become the middleman. And you pocket the difference. Bonus number 4 will show you how to create a passive income. And this is not just any ordinary passive income. It is a recurring passive income. And you can do it with ease. And the 5th bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. And you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now let's take a look at this. In a nutshell, Disaster Preparedness Blueprint is a 60 done-for-you, short value-oriented, rebandable videos with a complete ready-to-go training center that you can sell to your list. Often, people don't get such impactful short videos content. People just don't prepare those at this point. Here are some things you should know. You get 15 red hot titles. You get 60 vertical videos, 60 horizontal videos, all editable files. You get turnkey 60 video pages website. You get a full private label rights license, which really means that you can do these, use these any way you want, and there is much, much more. There's a whole raft of these things. As an example, there is ways in which you can prepare your family for survival, the way to impact tips for beginners, something about camping. There's guides to raising children, guides to survival in terms of self-care, water purification, and cooking gear, the important utilities that you need. There's tips on surviving the winter and what to do in a case of fire, and so on. So there is a whole raft of these videos that'll help you get prepared against the unexpected. Now, teaching survival prepping is really important to help individuals with indispensable skills so that they can thrive in uncertain times. You can help them seek practical knowledge to navigate unpredictable situations. And there is a large community on the online communities which provides some insights and gear and offering diverse avenues to spread this essential expertise. And not only that, this is an evergreen product, because survivor skills are not going to go away. And there's a tremendous interest about them today. And teaching survival prepping skills resonates with a growing desire for sustainable living and self-reliance. And so all of these things are critically important to help you teach survival prepping. Here's a couple of examples of videos. I hope this works. And now, you need to know that all the videos come with voice activation. So although these are silent, the videos come with voice activation. Now, the sales funnel looks like this. The front end is $17.25 to $24.99, and that really bumps up almost every day in terms of sales. There's upsells and there's downsells, and the upsells range from $49, and there's a downsell of $19, and then another upsell of $17, and another upsell of $97, and then there's a downsell of $37, and then another upsell of $97 to $297. Now, you really need to note that this product will be removed from Warrior Plus on Friday, January 27th at 11:59 in the evening, Eastern Standard Time. So you need to act now in order to receive my bonuses. And be careful about those downsells, because you'll get less product sometimes, but you may also get a different product. Now, if you need to know more, there is a ton of material on the sales page. So click the second link below and get the full story. And before you go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. And my 5 bonuses, because they will show you how to supercharge your online business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They'll show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. They'll show you how to gain recurring income. And they'll show you how to gain daily income using 3 simple steps while spending only 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And you will also receive how to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR product, just like this one. Now, thank you for listening, folks, and we'll see you next time.